Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Warthog Defense, I'm Sad. Believe it or not, Ukraine has just sunk another Russian warship. A Russian corvette in the Black Sea which completely sunk after being hit by Ukrainian maritime drones. It seems that the Russian army has largely adapted to Ukrainian tactics since the beginning of the war. But the Navy is an exception. Russians still don't have an answer for Ukrainian attacks.
Incredible footage. Ukraine has just sunk another Russian warship. Last night, the Ukrainian intelligence GUR destroyed the Russian missile boat Ivanovets in Crimea, valued at $70 million. The attack was carried out using 2 floating drones, and at the time of the attack, the ship was on Lake Donoslav on the occupied Crimean Peninsula. After the first drone strike, the second drone hit the same hole and caused maximum damage. As a result of a number of direct hits to the hull, the corvette was damaged, rolled to the stern, and sank. According to preliminary information, the search and rescue operation of the Russian occupiers in Donoslav was unsuccessful. According to the information's warriors of the Special Unit, Group 13 Inches destroyed the missile corvette. Now, in order to find the wreckage, the Russians can look at the same place where cruiser Moskva is. And while Putin, you just lost another ship, against a country without a navy, in a land war, he was high-fiving kids, probably for every sank Russian ship. And The Economist writes that Ukraine has effectively countered Russia's blockade in the Black Sea by establishing an alternative shipping corridor, crucial for maintaining trade. This corridor, initiated after a grain deal collapse, has seen nearly 500 vessels navigate safely through Ukrainian ports. Despite the inherent risks, including missile attacks and drone threats, Ukraine has managed to restore trade volumes in the Odessa region to nearly pre-war levels. The strategic importance of this alternative route is underscored by the fact that 60% of Ukraine's trade used to pass through its deep-sea ports before Russia's economic blockade. The corridor, carefully selected to avoid Russian submarines and backed by shore artillery, has not only proven successful, but has also witnessed a significant reduction in insurance costs for ships using the route. Ukraine's maritime forces, including the Navy, domestic and military intelligence, border guards, and army, played a pivotal role in 3 phases. The first involved preventing a Russian amphibious landing, followed by establishing a buffer in the northwestern Black Sea after destroying Russia's Moskva flagship. The final phase, completed in 2023, saw Ukraine pushing Russian warships entirely from various parts of the Black Sea through the development of new cruise missiles and naval drones. This success has allowed Ukraine to make a calculated bet that Russia will avoid deliberately attacking foreign merchant ships, considering the potential international backlash and increased insurance premiums across the Black Sea. While the corridor has significantly contributed to the return of Odessa's deep-sea ports and forecasts a $3.3 billion boost to exports in 2024, cautious optimism prevails, with acknowledgement that the route needs enhanced air defenses, international monitoring, and ideally, military escorts for complete security. Despite the challenges, The corridor has proven resilient, demonstrating that shipping can persist even in the face of Russian bombardment. The Russian Defense Ministry does not have sufficient air defense resources to fully protect St. Petersburg from drone attacks, Chairman of the State Duma Defense Committee Andrei Kartopolov. St. Petersburg and the region, Russia's second-largest city by population, have been targeted twice since early January by Ukrainian drones, which hit Novatek's terminal on the Baltic Sea and the Nevsky Mazut refinery within the city borders. Well, if they took away the air defense that is protecting Putin's villas, and if they planned the operation in Ukraine better, they will have more air defense. Clowns. Wounded Russian servicemen, not needed by anyone, dumped in a field hospital in a basement, no treatment provided. Glory to Russia.
Вот больные, как нас лечат, в каких условиях.
Вот так вот мы едем на ВВК уже 13 декабря, когда заключили. И вот нас все возят, мы нигде не нужны, никому не нужны. Вот так вот у нас бросают, вот так вот лечение, как мне уколы прописали, таблетки, вот так вот. Я лежу и ничего даже не вижу. Живем, блядь, хуже бомжей.
A Russian assault group gets hit by Ukrainian tank fire from close range in the southern private sector of Avdiivka.
Отстреливается, по-моему, отстреливается.
Хорошо.
Давай. Хорошо. Бля. Ищи туда. Да, там пидоры. Ой-ой-ой. Все, блядь, зачистил.
Guys, thank you for watching. Russian fleet is moving from the Black Sea to the Russian side more and more every day, so we will report on that. Thank you for watching Warthog Defense. Stay with us, comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.